Finding the courage to change. A premeditated resentment. An expectation is a premeditated resentment. For sure, I've found that to be true in my own life. The only time I'm disappointed by others is when I have expectations of how they will act or what they will do. There's a balance between having great and unreasonable expectations and having no expectations. I like to think that there might be a middle ground, a place where I can politely ask for what I need, but I have no right to impose a standard of behavior on anyone else. I have to be able to ask and then surrender the results. I also have to try and consider the impact of my request on another. Sometimes what seems very reasonable to me seems aggressive or demanding to someone else. Sometimes my expectations are higher than normal because I'm already subconsciously upset. I have to pause and consider if I'm overreacting to the situation. I'm learning to listen to my inner conversations. My inner voice might use words like, I need to make sure, or why did they do that? Sometimes my reaction is, that's not right. When I feel hurt or resentful, then I know that I'm in danger of overreacting. Gradually, I'm learning that I don't have to act on my resentment. I can surrender to the moment. I can remember that I don't have to do anything this red hot minute. I can try to put myself in the other person's shoes. I'm learning that I can accept life on life's terms.